Tonight, our top story, a Kanawha County judge recently admonished for speaking out on child welfare is pushing back. Anna Saunders explains what happens next now that Judge Maryclaire Akers has objected to reprimand.
Kanawha County Circuit Court Judge Maryclaire Akers held this February hearing to figure out why foster children were being housed in hotels and 4-H camps after a child attempted suicide in a hotel placement. She then assigned a 1-year monitor on the Department of Human Services for a corrective plan and better placements. But it was what happened after that caught the attention of the Judicial Investigation Commission when she went on Metro News Talkline the following week to talk about her order.
There are lots of rules that govern what I can say publicly. So if you guys ask me questions that I'm not allowed to answer, I'll tell you. That is because we have rules that apply to the judiciary.
She acknowledged at the start of her interview that she had judicial guidelines to follow when speaking to the media, that it could be about what was in her order and said in open court only. But still, a complaint was filed later in March against her to the JIC. In a 7-1 vote, she was admonished or warned that by doing this interview, she was in violation of 4 rules. The complaint said in part that although she was trying to do something good for the children, the way she went about it was improper. As it stated, quote, respondent cannot talk to the media about pending matters, whether it be tied to the underlying case involving the 12-year-old or the 1-year monitoring of DOHS. The commission especially took issue with her speaking about her past experience as a prosecutor working child neglect and abuse cases, detailing how the system works. Judge Akers objects to this. Her attorney released a statement on her behalf that she respectfully disagrees with the JIC's decision, as it said in part, by participating in the March 3rd interview, Judge Akers aimed to increase public trust in the judiciary by providing transparency. The JIC's admonishment in this case, on the other hand, appears to have the opposite effect. And Judge Akers, not the only judge to get reprimanded recently over similar issues. The JIC also admonished Judge Timothy Sweeney, who serves Ritchie, Wirt, Doddridge, and Pleasants counties. The commission said he acted improperly when he ordered that DOHS officials come to his counties and serve as CPS workers who were reportedly severely understaffed at the time. The JIC said the way he went about this, plus his appearance on Talkline, were improper. Both he and Judge Akers have never been disciplined as lawyers or judges, and many coming to their defense, including retired Supreme Court Justice Margaret Workman, who submitted an op-ed saying the JIC's decisions have sent a chilling message to the judiciary, as she went on to say, quote, this enforced silence serves no legitimate interest in judicial independence or impartiality. Instead, it protects failing institutions from accountability while leaving the most vulnerable children voiceless and in danger. According to the judicial disciplinary procedure, when admonished, judges have 2 options. They can do nothing and the admonishment will stay on their record, or they can object to it, which Judge Akers has done. So now the case will move forward and the JIC will turn her admonishment into official charges against her. And they will have to have a hearing in front of a separate judicial hearing panel. They can decide to dismiss or keep the admonishment or even give a stricter punishment. In the statement released by her attorney, he said Judge Akers looks forward to defending herself in a public and open forum. In Kanawha County, Anna Saunders, Eyewitness News.